Cardi B here. And yeah, I'm a sim, a digital doll. And so my life's like a glitch-filled, diamond-encrusted roller coaster.
This is Simia, the first of its kind content generator, and this is our app showcasing scenarios you can simulate with just one finger tap, or even a one-line prompt. Let's sim a Cardi B cooking show.
It's a Super Bowl Sunday tradition in this bitch. First up, we got these motherfucking crackeroni and cheese balls. They clog your arteries faster than Offset cheats.
Sign up now at simia.ai to get on the waiting list.